Hi, I'm Guangqing Chi. I'm PI of the POLARIS project. We study how environmental stressors and infrastructure disruptions are affecting coastal Alaska communities. We have three research pillars: human environment hotspot, food security and nutrition, and migration and community relocation. Our study communities are in the Bristol Bay region, Wainwright, and Chilliwack. We collaborate with local communities to co-produce and disseminate the knowledge, which you will learn more from other team members.
Hi, my name is Maio. I'm a coastal geographer at the University of Alaska Fairbanks, and I'm co-leading Pillar 1 of the POLARIS project. We're seeking to map areas of coastal change and identify the hot spots of erosion and other environmental disruptions and how they might impact communities and infrastructure. Environmental stressors often amplify coastal hazards, resulting in significant changes to coastal morphologies, ecosystems, infrastructure, and human subsistence lifestyles.
Hi, my name is Lance Howe, and I'm an economist at the University of Alaska Anchorage, and I'm representing our second pillar, food security and nutrition. In rural Alaskan communities, food is acquired through a mix of in-store purchases and subsistence, that is, the hunting, harvesting, and gathering of wild foods. Over the last 2 decades, there have been growing environmental, social, and fiscal changes affecting nutrition and food security in Alaska. We're studying how these changes have affected nutrition and the ability of people to acquire the foods that they need. Nutritionists, anthropologists, economists, and ecologists will work with community partners to synthesize findings to support nutrition and food security in rural Alaskan communities.
Hi, I'm Tickamyer, a rural sociologist from Penn State University, representing Pillar 3 on the impact of climate change on migration and community relocation decisions and behavior. Warming temperatures make coastal communities especially vulnerable. We will work with local communities to identify best policy and practices that can help coastal Alaskans to stay in place or smoothly transition to new communities, and also the barriers to community relocation when whole communities want and need to move.
My name is Kathy Hill, and I'm an Associate Professor of Science Education and the Director of the Center for Science in the Schools at Penn State. I serve as the pre-college education lead of the POLARIS project, and we understand that long-term resilience in any community involves empowering youth. In the POLARIS project, we are currently developing relevant place-based curriculum around local issues of environmental hotspots, food security and nutrition, and migration. In these projects, students will be engaged in the practices and investigative techniques of the researchers to understand how the landscape has changed over time and how to develop solutions to challenges faced by their communities today and into the future.
Hi, I'm David Hull with Alaska Sea Grant at the University of Alaska Fairbanks, social scientist and the outreach coordinator for POLARIS. The goal of the POLARIS project is a close collaboration with partnering communities, integrating local researchers into the research team, generating tangible benefits for the communities, and sharing data products that support local initiatives. Some of the outreach projects we are most excited about are a virtual storyboard space to highlight the vibrant geographies and cultures of Western Alaska, and a series of films, all of which highlight the resilient nature of our partner communities. We are excited to work with the new Navigating the New Arctic Community Office and others participating in this initiative.